India, known for its colorful culture and ancient traditions, is also famous for its incredible biodiversity. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches, India's landscapes are as diverse as its people. This variety in land and climate creates a mosaic of ecosystems, each teeming with unique and fascinating life forms. Our journey begins in the Himalayas, where snow-clad peaks touch the sky and icy winds whisper ancient legends. Finally, we arrive at the shores, where the land embraces the sea, creating a vibrant tapestry of life amidst the tides. The Himalayas, often called the roof of the world, are not just a geographical wonder, but also a hotbed of biodiversity. These majestic mountains, with their towering peaks and deep valleys, create a variety of microclimates that support a unique range of plants and animals. Among the iconic residents of this region is the elusive snow leopard, a master of camouflage, perfectly adapted to hunt in this challenging terrain. The red panda, with its striking reddish-brown fur and bushy tail, is another charismatic inhabitant of the Himalayas, often found foraging for bamboo at higher elevations. Rhododendrons, with their vibrant blooms, paint the hillsides in hues of pink and red during spring. The Brahma Kamal, a rare and ethereal flower, blooms only at night, its otherworldly beauty adding to the mystique of the Himalayas. The delicate balance of life in this extreme environment is susceptible to the impacts of climate change and human activities. Descending from the Himalayas, we enter a world of emerald green, the forests of India. These forests, from the rain-soaked Western Ghats to the deciduous forests of central India, are crucial to the country's ecological balance. The forests of India are home to the majestic Bengal tiger, an apex predator whose presence indicates a healthy ecosystem. The Indian elephant, a symbol of wisdom and strength, roams these forests, their paths shaping the landscape and creating clearings that benefit other species. The Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a significant proportion of India's endemic species. The Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, located in the delta of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers, is another unique ecosystem. It is crucial to prioritize the conservation of these vital ecosystems, not just for the incredible biodiversity they hold, but also for the well-being of present and future generations. From the lush greenery of the forests, we journey to the arid expanse of the Thar Desert, a landscape that challenges our very notion of life. The Thar, India's largest desert, may seem desolate at first glance, but beneath the scorching sun and shifting sands lies a world of resilience and adaptation. The black buck, an antelope known for its spiraling horns and incredible speed, is a testament to the tenacity of life in the Thar. The desert fox, with its oversized ears that help dissipate heat, is another fascinating resident of this harsh environment. The kedri tree, considered sacred by local communities, provides shade, fodder, and even sustenance in times of scarcity. These plants, with their deep roots and ability to conserve water, are crucial to the survival of both animals and humans in this challenging environment. The Thar Desert, a symbol of resilience and adaptation, reminds us that life finds a way, even in the harshest of conditions. Our journey through India's diverse ecosystems culminates at the shores, where the land meets the sea, creating a dynamic interface teeming with life. India's extensive coastline, stretching over 7,500 kilometers, encompasses a wide array of habitats, from sandy beaches and rocky shores to mangroves and coral reefs. Dolphins, with their playful antics, are a common sight, their sleek bodies gliding through the waves. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, come ashore to lay their eggs, continuing a life cycle that has endured for millennia. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, burst with color and life, providing shelter and sustenance to a myriad of marine species. Mangroves, those remarkable trees that thrive in intertidal zones, play a crucial role in the coastal ecology. It is essential to strike a balance between human activities and the preservation of these fragile ecosystems, ensuring that future generations continue to benefit from the bounty of the sea. India's diverse landscapes are shaped not only by its varied topography, but also by the crucial element of rainfall. The monsoon winds, arriving with their life-giving rains, dictate the rhythm of life across the subcontinent. The Western Ghats, for instance, receive abundant rainfall during the monsoon season, resulting in the lush rainforests that characterize this region. The Himalayas, acting as a barrier to the monsoon winds, create a rain shadow effect on the leeward side, leading to the arid conditions of the Thar Desert. The Gangetic Plains, receiving moderate rainfall, support a different kind of ecosystem, fertile alluvial plains that are the breadbasket of India. The arrival of the monsoon is a time of celebration across India. Farmers eagerly await the rains to nourish their crops, while the natural world rejoices in this annual renewal. Climate change, with its potential to disrupt monsoon patterns, poses a significant threat to the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Despite its incredible biodiversity, India faces significant challenges in conserving its natural heritage. Many of its iconic species, including the Bengal tiger, the Asian elephant, and the snow leopard, are classified as endangered or critically endangered, their populations dwindling due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. The one-horned rhinoceros, found primarily in the grasslands of Assam, is another species facing immense pressure. Poaching for their horns, believed to have medicinal properties in some cultures, has decimated their populations. The Ganges River dolphin, once a common sight in the rivers of northern India, is now critically endangered, its numbers plummeting due to pollution, habitat loss, and accidental drowning in fishing nets. For example, forests not only provide us with oxygen and regulate our climate, but also act as natural buffers against floods and droughts. With its long tradition of respecting nature, India plays a crucial role in global conservation efforts. Recognizing the urgent need to protect its natural heritage, India has implemented various conservation efforts over the years. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries have been established across the country, providing safe havens for endangered species and their habitats. Project Tiger, launched in 1973, is a notable example of a successful conservation program that has helped stabilize tiger populations. Community-based conservation programs have also gained momentum, recognizing the crucial role of local communities in protecting biodiversity. These programs empower local people to become stewards of their natural resources, promoting sustainable livelihoods and mitigating human-wildlife conflict. Ecotourism, when implemented responsibly, can also contribute to conservation efforts by generating revenue that can be reinvested in protecting biodiversity. India's journey towards conservation is an ongoing process, requiring a concerted effort from all stakeholders, including the government, conservation organizations, local communities, and individuals. The challenge of conserving India's biodiversity is intricately linked to the needs of its growing human population. As India develops economically, the demand for land, water, and other natural resources continues to rise, often at the expense of natural ecosystems. Balancing the needs of development with the imperative of conservation is one of the greatest challenges facing India today. Sustainable development, a concept that emphasizes meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs, offers a way forward. It is crucial to integrate biodiversity conservation into development planning. This includes conducting thorough environmental impact assessments before embarking on large-scale projects, exploring alternative development pathways that minimize environmental damage, and promoting sustainable practices in sectors such as agriculture, forestry, and fisheries. Protecting biodiversity is not just about saving species from extinction. It is about safeguarding the life support systems that sustain us all. Our journey through India's diverse ecosystems, from the towering Himalayas to the sun-drenched shores, has revealed a land teeming with life in all its forms. India's biodiversity is a testament to the power of nature, a delicate tapestry woven over millennia. It is a gift, a legacy that we have inherited and have a moral obligation to pass on to future generations. With a shared commitment to conservation, we can ensure that India's natural heritage continues to flourish. India's biodiversity is not just a national treasure. It is a global asset, contributing to the ecological balance of our planet. Let us work together to safeguard this precious legacy, ensuring that generations to come continue to marvel at the wonders of India's natural world.